Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can deactivate your Revolut card, that being your physical, virtual or one-time card. So let's get started. Now to deactivate or delete your Revolut card, you would first from your homepage need to go to the card section in the upper right corner, right here. From there, all the cards that you currently have on your Revolut account will load. So I have my virtual card and my original physical card. So from there you can tap, for example, let's say that we want to terminate our virtual card. I will just tap on that card. Then your card will load along with any transactions that you made using this card. So to delete or deactivate your Revolut card, you would need to tap on the settings for that specific card right here. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you would be able to see the Terminate card option right here. So to deactivate your card, just go ahead and tap on that. And then you have an option to either freeze it temporarily or actually to completely delete or terminate this card. So if you want to permanently delete it, you can just go ahead and tap on Terminate card, and then this card will be deactivated permanently. But essentially, that's all you would need to do to terminate this card. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.